Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a triangular prism and the length AB, BC and CA are given. Angle ACB is 90 degrees. BE is also given 2.5 cm. Find the volume and the total surface area of this prism. Well, to find the volume of the prism, we must first identify the base area. And I hope that you can see that the base area is as such. The triangle ABC. And the height is BE. And so, with this, we will then be able to find the volume relatively easily. Okay. So again, we need the base area and the height. So the base area is in the form of a triangle. So that means that we will have to find the half times base times height, where the base and height of this triangle is 90 degrees to each other. 3 and 4. Okay, height of the prism is 2.5, and therefore you will see this particular working. Half times 3 times 4 multiplied by 2.5, and you will get 15 cm cubed. For part B, the total surface area, so I'm going to shift it over here. And I have duplicate this diagram to help me in solving for the total surface area. I usually like to draw a net. Okay, so that is something that helps me a lot. And once I do that, I realize that there are two triangles, which is the base area, and 3 rectangles. So there are two approaches to this particular total surface area. The first approach is to find these 3 sides, the 2 base triangle and the 3 different rectangle. 1, 2, and 3. And you add them up, and you should get 42 cm square. Or there's another approach, which is this. Still, you will still have the 2 base area, but this time round, instead of finding the 3 separate rectangles, you could see it as one big rectangle, and therefore I will have my perimeter 3 plus 4 plus 5 later on times the height of this prism 2.5. That will be the big green color rectangle, which is the sum of the black, purple and green rectangle, and therefore you will see this set of working. Same for the 2 triangles, but this will be the working to find the green big rectangle, and you will get the same answer, 42 cm square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.